In this tutorial, we will cover referencing external worksheets. Please open file 01 Reference External Worksheets 01 and file 01 Reference External Worksheets 02. On 01 Reference External Worksheets 01, we're going to cover references. A reference to a cell or cell ranges in other worksheets are called external references. One of the most common reasons for using external references is to create a worksheet that summarizes the totals from other worksheets. For example, a workbook might contain 12 worksheets, one for each month, and an annual summary worksheet with references and totals the data from each monthly worksheet. To reference another worksheet, you'll click in the cell where you want to insert the reference. So if you would, on our worksheet, click in cell C4, and then we want to tell Excel to do some work. We use the equal sign whenever we want Excel to do work. Now you could type in the name of the sheet you want to list and go to, and then the actual cell reference there. But it's a lot easier if you simply click on the January worksheet at the bottom of your sheet, then click on cell B4, and you'll notice up in the formula bar it now has equal Jan exclamation B4, which tells it to go to sheet January and look at cell B4. You can either hit the enter key or click on the check mark to accept those changes. As you can see, it now has 6010 in that cell. You can also use the autofill to fill in the rest of the references rather than typing them in. So when you see this thin black plus sign, click and drag down, and you'll see it builds up the rest of your reference points for the rest of those cells. If you want to reference another workbook, click in the cell just as you would in the same workbook and select that information, and then of course we'll type in the equal sign to tell it to do some work. Now you need to have the workbook already open that contains the data you want to reference before you start with your formula. Then, down on the bar, go to the Excel icon and click on 01 Reference External Worksheets 02 and open that up. Then, if you would, click on cell B4, and you'll notice up in the formula bar you'll see it has 01 Reference External Worksheets 02.xlsx in brackets to let it know that this is another workbook, and then is March for the worksheet, and then of course it's looking at cell B4. Now please notice when it puts in the B4 it uses dollar signs, which makes it an absolute reference. Go ahead and click on the check mark up on the formula bar and you'll see it has 24,500 placed in there.